friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist and a Hello Love fanatic and a lover of all things beauty, skincare, makeup, all the stuff. I screwed up my normal intro and we're going with that one because I don't want to sit here forever. But I'm really excited because today's video is going to be on a new pair of glasses. So I'm getting at the age where I need a little bit of help reading, and there are so many different reading glasses on there, but I also am like, okay, some of them look a little granny-y or too mature for me kind of thing. And I thought, hey, if I'm gonna be this age and I have to wear reading glasses, might as well make it fun. So I saw this brand all over my Instagram, and one thing that really attracted me to it was the fact that you can buy the frames and then you have these little magnetic things that clip on, and you can kind of change out the look of the glasses on a whim. So you don't have to have, especially if you're traveling, you don't have to have 10,000 different glasses with you. You have one frame and then you can buy the toppers that go onto it. So I wanted to kind of talk through it, do a first impressions, and yeah, let you guys know if I would recommend this product or not. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So here, opening the box, and what comes with it is you get the little carrying case. I'll be honest with you, these colors aren't my vibe, but this is the colors of the company. I wish they had different ones that you could pick or something neutral, because these colors are ugly, but it is what it is. You have your frames back here, and then you have your toppers right here. It is a really cute carrying case because you can put your frames right here. You can keep your toppers right there. So it all comes in one little thing, and it's all protected because the toppers are, I don't want to say they're flimsy, but you don't want them super thick because you don't want them to be heavy on your face. So they are a little bit more delicate. So this helps it to stay safe. You also get a little eyeglass cleaner as well. It's the lint-free, the lint super soft stuff. So that is really cool. What I like to do a lot of times is I will put my frames in here, and I'll tell you why I know this in a second, but I will put my frames in here, and then you could stuff this right in there. Here are the frames here. Here are the frames, and I'm just getting the plastic off. I mean, these are brand new out of the box. So these are the Drew, I think they are. So they are bigger, oversized, and I got them in the reading glasses. Oh my gosh, I love them. They fit so well. So the reason why I know about this previously is I ended up ordering another frame, and I got it, but when I got it, it was a little bit too small for my face. And not that it wasn't oversized, but I have I've got a big nose. There's no, I know I have a big nose, but right here, my bridge of my nose is a little bit bigger, and I've got a little bit bigger head. And I felt like here it was pinching me, and then on the sides. So I went back on their website and I ended up returning the other frames that I got, and I got these, and these are so much more comfortable. So one thing that they do, when you go in, you go and you pick out your frames, and that's the first thing. One thing that I like about it that I didn't realize when I first purchased it is they have the dimensions on there. So if you already know what your bridge measurements are, you can look at the different frames and see whether or not fits. It also will give you suggestions. Like it will say, it kind of like it does comparison. This is the biggest glasses, the most oversized, the widest glasses that they have. So I was like, okay, those are the ones I need to get, and I absolutely love them. So the other thing I like about them is you can virtually try them on. So you can either upload a photo, or you can just go ahead and do your camera here, and you can kind of try it on. And I honestly, this is pretty much what it looked like on my face. So I really like it. After you choose your frame, one thing with your frame is you can choose in a different color. So there's black, there's turquoise, there's like a blue, there's clear. So you choose whatever color. So I'm so happy that I got this one fits, because I ended up picking up 3 different toppers. So the first topper I got was this one right here, and I'll link everything below. Look at this. So cute. This one's like a splatter one, whatever. They have so many different varieties, and it is honestly really hard for me to pick because I couldn't figure out which one it is. It is literally just this very thin plastic piece. It's got magnets here and it's got magnets here. It's dummy proof. That's it. Clip it on. And what I like about it is, last time I tried to do this, they're not coming off. You can move around. Not that I would move around crazy like that with my readers on, but like, I don't want to jiggle my head, and actually they kind of stay up a little bit, but these toppers are not going to be coming off. They're there. So this is the first set of toppers I got. Really fun. To me, it's like, these are readers. These are supposed to be fun. So that's that. The next one I got was this color here. And I thought it was just a really, really cute vibe. You know, again, something that's cute. And you can see here the thicker glasses there, which doesn't bother me. Like this right here, the fact that they don't match doesn't bother me. I still think they're really, really cute. And then the third one I got, and this was the reason why I picked these glasses up, because this is what hit my feed. This color right here. I love pink. Pink is my vibe. Really, really cute. I probably like this one the best, like just the standard black, but if I want to change it up a bit. The other thing that I really like is, and I can't see it on there. So right in here, it actually tells you what this thing is. Like, you will be able to notice it because it's the biggest one. But if you purchase a variety of different frames and say you have a variety of different toppers and they get messed up for whatever reason, you can see here. And I don't know if it says it on here. Oh, and it also says it on here. So if you ever forget what your brand, which one you purchase, it says it right there, and you just go in there and you just pick out the stuff. Holy crap, I am absolutely in love with these. Let me see. I think you can like layer them if you want. Wow, so cool. You pick out your frame, and then you pick out your lens type. So they have progressive lenses, they have prescription lenses, they have readers. So, and they also have just regular ones. So if you're like, oh my gosh, I love the eyeglass look, but I don't need actual glasses, you can get frames and just have the lens without any prescriptions or reading or anything like that. You also can add upgrades to your lenses. So you can add a blue light blocking or filtering lens if you want. They also have a transition lens. And then after you choose your frame and you choose your lenses, then you get to have fun and you get to choose the topper. And like I said, they have a variety of different ones. They have Harry Potter themed ones. They have Marvel. They have basketball and hockey. They have all standard colors. Variety of different ones, and they come out with ones. They have ones that come out for holidays. So they had a whole bunch of Christmas ones. They have Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day. What else do they have? Anything and everything, pretty much any color that you can imagine, they have it. They have a variety of different ones. The tops depend, I think they run from anywhere between 20 and 25. I think some of the standard or like the NBA or hockey or whatever, 25. So definitely like more expensive than your like Amazon reading glasses. But if it's something that you need and it's something that you wear a lot, why not make it cute, and why not be able to transition it out? So I can just, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.